Maybe you can share with us, how do you instill confidence in your children? How have you done it in the past?
For me, at my age, it's difficult to change. But for young people, maybe they have changed a lot. They were influenced by the whole world. They are easy to accept the new opinion, new thoughts. They have changed a lot.
That's a great observation. You're absolutely right. So my question to you is, when you had your son and up until this point, how do you give your son confidence? In what ways do you boost your son's confidence?
At first, let me try something new. If he can improve his skills and abilities, he will be confident. As a mother, as parents, we need to encourage them to try many things. I think this is a good way to let them more confident, give them
Okay.
more opportunities to try something new. Of
Mm.
course, also need to encourage them to make their own decisions. Maybe in the past, many parents just do everything for their children. And for me, I give my son more opportunities to make his own decisions. Sometimes he asked me, Mom, what I should do, what I need to do. I just ask him, what you want to do. Please tell me. I can give you some advice, but you need to make your own decision.
Wow, that is beautiful.